everyone, so we are just checking out of the Century Plaza Hotel at Vancouver, and I thought I'll give you a quick tour. When you first go in, that's the front door, this is what you see. So we've got a cute little bathroom. It's got a bathtub, toilet, sink, hairdryer, lights. It's quite spacious. And then we've got the kitchenette. There was a microwave, tea and coffee making, an oven, and there was a very spacious fridge for us to use, which was fantastic because we've actually been quite sick and tired of eating takeaway food. So we've been getting like ham and cheese and vegetables and fruits to kind of balance out the junk food. And then here we've got like a little chest of drawers. There was air conditioning, and over here there was like a little cupboard that had like a luggage rack. There was bathrobes, there was hangers, there's an iron, there's a fan, and that was also used as a mirror. Now here we had the 2 double beds, which were actually very comfortable. And then we had this beautiful view because we're staying in downtown Vancouver. So as you can see, it was beautiful. We also had this TV that also moved. So if we were sitting down on the couch, we would do it this way. If we're lying down in bed, we'd do it that way, which was great. And then you had a little lamp table. There was a couch, a table, and a little sitting area. We enjoyed being here for 4 days, but now we are off to our final destination of Hawaii. So we were up on the 24th floor, which was quite high. There was laundry as well that we ended up doing 2 days off here, and that was on level 5. It was actually quite good. He had like a 2 washing machines, 2 dryers, there was a TV, a computer, there was 2 couches, there was a bathroom there, so we ended up going there the first night to get some washing done. There's also a gym. I don't know what level that was on. There was a gym, there was a pool as well, but we didn't get a chance to do that here. Now in an elevator. So this is, we're going down to the lobby. So there are 30 floors and we were on floor 24. So this is the lobby. My backpack. Yeah, we got one more. And we're just leaving our luggage here. So that's the hotel. There's like a little beautiful sitting area. It's the front desk. It's beautiful. There's a restaurant down there as well that you can also do breakfast or lunch. We went to the cafe this morning because what happened was, because we didn't ask for housekeeping, we got a $10 voucher every day. So for the 3 days that we were here, that doesn't include when you check in or when you're checking out days, you get $10 off every day. So we ended up getting $30 and we came here this morning and had breakfast.
Mine was so weird.
And this is where they lock your luggage up until we come back.